What is simple freedom? It's a way to earn daily passive income while learning how to create your own cash flow online. It's a simple little program, a simple little club that's going to teach you all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. So you can start making some cash flow now. You'll learn the skills required to finally make real money and passive cash flow. It's all about creating cash flow with little simple online methods. This is what the Simple Freedom Club is going to teach you. Inside the club, you're going to learn everything you need to know to create the traffic, how to collect the leads, close sales, and you can do this all with an automatic selling machine systems. You're going to find out about all of that inside the Simple Freedom Club. And you know what? Not only will you learn about social media marketing, email marketing, and even offline marketing methods, but when you join the club today for just $25 plus a $10 admin fee, so that's a total of $35, you get 24-hour access to the whole entire affiliate marketing school. Okay? And if you choose to promote this thing, which you're smart, you wouldn't be here if you wasn't. So of course you want to make some money, right? You can actually sell access to the club yourself and collect $25 instant commission. There's an unlimited passive income and cash flow that can come up to you because of this thing called the reverse one-up. See, what happens is this. For every sale, right, you get $25, right? $10 is going to go to the admin. But your second sale goes up to your sponsor, the person who referred you. Now, why would you want to give up your second sale? Because every person you bring in, whether it's 10 people or whether it's 1,000 people, they'll be passing up their second sales to you. And the way it works, those seconds are going to be passed up to you. It's an infinite amount of cash earning potential here. That's why it's so awesome. It creates leverage. So it's not just affiliate marketing, and if you don't know what that is, you're going to find out more about it. But it's affiliate marketing with leverage. With leverage. It's just unlimited wide, unlimited deep. It's a very powerful affiliate plan. It's simple. Very simple. I just explained it to you. Very simple. You're getting $25 instant payment. You're going to have some choices on how you can receive your payment. You can receive it in Cash App, Zelle, that's the bank-to-bank thing. You can PayPal. You've got options here, folks. You've got options here, folks. And the money is going to come straight to you at the moment of sale. Like I said, whether you bring in 10 people, whether you bring in 1,000 people, you have unlimited 100% commissions of $25 coming direct to you. You can see this page at simplefreedom.easymoneysite.biz. But if you really wanna hear more from, maybe you want to hear a little bit more from the owner. His name is Franco Gonzales. And let me tell you what he put together here is real awesome. There's even ways, once you become a member, to make even further, even bigger payments. You just got to see it to believe it. I want you to go to easymoneysite.biz/freedom club, and you're going to reach a page that looks like, there's going to be a quick video right here by Franco. He's just going to go into the club and sort of show you around what's on the inside. Help you get a better understanding. Once again, that's at easymoneysite.biz/freedom club. I really want you to come on in and check this out and start at least building up some of those $25 cash instant payments. That really builds up fast. It really does, especially with the one-up thing and everyone's seconds coming up to you. I mean, that's great leverage. And you'll see a little opt-in form here, over here at the page, and all you do is you just fill it in, and you're gonna eventually reach the other video page, the join page anyway. So I just want you to come on in, get with this Simple Freedom thing. You know, it's not just a club that's teaching you how to make money online, affiliate marketing with leverage. It's also a movement. You know, Simple Freedom is just that. It's all about getting freedom. And what does freedom mean to you? What does it mean to you? Does it mean just having enough to where you can finally take that vacation you've been always wanting to take? Does it mean having enough to where you don't have to ever work a job again? What exactly does it mean for you? Or does it just mean enough for you to just be able to get that new car you've always been wanting? Or what does freedom mean to you? I tell you what, freedom is being a sovereign, being a being that can move whenever you need to move and go wherever you need to go and do whatever you need to do without anything tugging at your back, like a job or a debt or a bill or a this or that. That's freedom. But you gotta get some cash flow flowing. You gotta have cash flow flowing. Come on, in this world, it's gonna take money. So how do you keep that cash flow flowing? Well, you use the internet. Well, how do I use the internet? That's what Simple Freedom is here for. To teach you just that. How to use the internet to free yourself. easymoneysite.biz/Freedom Club. Thank you for watching this video. Peace and light. Everything's going to be alright.